My name is Patriarch Wayne Jones. I am the head of the Spiritual Baptist Diaspora of Trinidad and Tobago, and by extent the Caribbean and North America. Being here is an honor, and we would have brought up a contingent from Trinidad, approximately 40-something persons, because we see it as a history-making event. The advice that we would give, and I would always give to anybody, is that in unity there is strength, and if once the Spiritual Baptist community of St. Vincent will unify together, we look forward to really having a good time with you all and supporting the Spiritual Baptists here. We would stand in Trinidad and Tobago, and as Patriarch of the Spiritual Baptists, I stand in support of everybody.
So what can persons expect at the celebration tomorrow?
Well, I'm looking forward to seeing a unification of people, and we're just having a wonderful time, giving God the thanks and the praise. We look at it as a holiday, not just one holiday for the Spiritual Baptists, but we look at it as a holiday for the people of St. Vincent and the Grenadines, overall for the way that they would have triumphed and all the things that would have come up against them. But they stand for the cause and the reason, and so we see it as successful for them. And by extent, we think that it's something great for the entire Caribbean, because if Trinidad have it, then St. Vincent should have it.